Hey Shane, it's Randy with B&R Digital Marketing. I spoke with you earlier about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business. So in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just wanted to keep in mind that even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get some feedback from you. So if you just keep that in mind while you're watching this video, I'd appreciate it. And so first thing I wanted to do is show you what an online presence can do for you. And when I Google your business, you do show up, but if I Google search a specific job or service, I really can't find you. And so unless I'm wrong and I'm looking in the wrong place or I'm typing it in wrong, I can't find your website. And we're a website. And so what I mean by that is, like, if I type in dirt work or demolition in Bossier City, I can't really find you guys in here. And not saying that you don't get calls for that, but if we have you up here at the top, you're going to get a lot more calls. And so the next thing I wanted to do was, so we need to get your website. Doesn't matter how fancy it is, anything is better than nothing. And so next I want to show you some things that are critical to bringing more traffic to your website and obviously more clients to your business. And there's 3 ways we do this, and it's with backlinks and referring domains, keywords, and citations. So first off is content. And what I mean by content is, I'm going to go to one of your competitors' websites, but content is basically words and images. So it's more information for your customers, and Google likes that. 1,500 to 2,000 words minimum, and that's around 500 to 700 words per page, and it gives us places to put more specific keywords, and it takes away all the guesswork for Google. And Google likes images, so we like a lot of images too. And whenever you put these keywords and you put these images in here, you want to save your pictures as that keyword. And I'll show you what keywords to use in a minute. But you want to save it as, like, demolition or, dirt work in Shreveport, Bossier City, and save every picture as these specific keywords that you want people to search for your services. Save those pictures as that, because it's, they're hidden in your website, and Google would rather have that than it just be spammed all over your page. So the next thing is referring domains. And basically a referring domain is a referring domain is anywhere one website refers to another website by clicking a link, and these websites transfer authority to these websites, being ranked. So Google looks at this to see if the website is trustworthy or not. And this is it right here. It's this DR rating, and they have a 0.1. And so the higher the trust Google has, the higher it'll rank the website. And this website's outranking you just because you don't have a website. These guys would be really easy to outrank, and these guys pop up everywhere. It doesn't matter what you type in. Greer's Dirt Work pops up all over Louisiana and East Texas. And so, but it's because they have these backlinks and these referring domains. And a backlink comes from the domains, from these referring domains. And they are pretty much industry specific, like AC and plumbing, or dirt work and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So if that page has a higher rating and it's ranked, that referring domain will transfer that authority to your website. So it'll help rank your website if these referring domains are better domains than something else. So these domains right here are ranked really good. They're in the 70s and stuff, and those are the ones that we would take off of your competitors' websites, and we'd put them on your website. We would take their referring domains, their backlinks, and their organic keywords that are ranking their pages. We're going to put them all on your page so we can outrank these guys really fast, because these guys are already getting work and these are already getting ranked for these keywords. So when we put them on your page and we put them in the right places, we're going to outrank these guys really fast. And so the third thing is keywords. And keywords is important, because whenever somebody types in a specific Google search, that's what they're looking for. It's buyer intent keywords is what we're looking for. So you want gravel near me, and I can tell you how to get, when you have near me next to you, if you're not in the top 3 of the Google pack, that you're not going to pop up if somebody types in near me. And so you want to be in the top 3 of the Google pack where the map is, the Google map pack. And so buyer intent words would be like let's see, I was showing one in here a minute ago. Land clearing in East Texas. So these guys are getting 40 searches a month, and they're getting zero traffic because they're ranked 36 down here. So we would want these keywords, 40 searches a month. If you can convert 10 of those or 10%, that's 4 jobs a month, and that's I mean, you know how much these jobs make you. Every time you do that. So the more the better, right? The more work, and you tell me which ones you want, which work you'd rather have, which pays the best, and that's what we will focus on, and that's what we will get you ranked at the top with, is whatever jobs you want. So it's important, it's important that you understand that we want to target the jobs you want. And that is a good way to boost your revenue without having to work harder. Do the jobs that you want that are easiest and to make you the best money. And that's what we're going to focus on. So we get you easier jobs that are higher paying jobs, and you don't have to do the grunt work that you used to, or that you're still doing, or you can ship it off to somebody else and take a cut. Whatever you wanted to do. But so that's really it, guys. Content, when we get you a web page, if you do have a web page, and I'm sorry if I couldn't find it, but you know, put some words on there. Put a lot of words, at least 1,500, 2,000 words. Make sure that you got plenty of pictures, and then save the pictures right. Save your pictures right so that when people search, it's hidden, and that's very important. And then also, when we get these backlinks and we get those those other pages and domains on there, referring domains, it'll help rank your page too. So with that, guys, if you have any questions or anything, and any feedback would be appreciated. So if you have any questions or anything, just let me know. Thank you for watching this video. I know I just kind of ramble on. It kind of got long, and I'm sorry about that. Hope this helps you. If you have any questions, just give me a call. Thank you.